Hello everyone, Courtney and Jonathan here for the USAA Educational Foundation. Today we're diving into some wedding vows. You know, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, and since we're all about happy things here, we're only going to focus on the good stuff, as in the better and the richer parts of those vows.
That's right, Courtney. Today is all about empowering couples to get their marital finances off to a good start. And while there are many financial topics we could talk about, for now, we are only going to focus on the 3 C's. No, not cut clarity in carrots. You're hopefully past that by now. We're talking about communication, coordination, and commitment to your plan. Let's get started. By now, you've probably heard about 1 million times that communication is key to a solid relationship. Hard to argue with that, right? So don't let this great marital advice stop when it comes to talking about money. Discuss your financial values, money personalities, and important goals. The USAAEF.org website has resources to help you navigate these topics and help drive the conversation. The goal here, like most things in marriage, is to understand each other's perspectives and find common ground. And don't have this be a one-and-done exercise. The more you communicate with each other, the easier these conversations will become.
Wow, good stuff, Jonathan. Especially for military marriages that deal with deployments, TDYs, PCSs, and other money stressors. Okay, now let's jump to our second C, coordinating. You can really break this into 3 big areas: work benefits, household finances, and legal documents. With benefits, it's all about looking at what you each have and then selecting what's best between the options. If only one of you has benefits, it's about adding the other spouse to them. For example, if one spouse is marrying into the military, the service member can add them to TRICARE for health insurance and family service members group life insurance for life insurance. For household finances, it's all about collaboration with each other. Things like creating a household budget, making decisions on your banking, determining who will pay the bills, and aligning on retirement savings goals. Finally, for legal documents like a will, power of attorney, and medical directives, you'll likely require the professional assistance of a lawyer. Fortunately for service members, you do not have to tackle all of these topics alone. The financial managers on your installation can help you navigate benefits and household finance issues, and the Legal Assistance Office is a great resource to prepare your estate documents.
And now our last topic, commitment to your plan. This one is all about getting on the same page with your spouse on the key financial decisions that Courtney just mentioned and developing a plan of attack. For many couples, this might take the form of setting the right expectations and realizing that your plan is now our plan. However your plan comes together, remember to show each other grace as you work through it. Try not to let small money disagreements become big relationship problems.
So to recap what we've covered, communicating about money, coordinating your finances, and committing to your plan, 3 great tips to get your marriage started on the right financial foot.
And if you're looking for a place to start, the financial checkup tool on USAAEF.org is a great tool to get you going. It only takes a couple of minutes and can help you identify your financial strengths and opportunities for improvement.
Well, that's it for now. And once again, congratulations on your marriage.